In 1985, I was living in Tempe, Arizona, having a family, a wife, and two children. In 1985, I was living in Tempe, Arizona, with my wife and two children. My daughter would have been about 5, and my son about 2. That is a time when it almost seems like all the time you're looking for new shoes, to outgrow the shoes. Anyway, so here we are at, and I can't remember if it was like a Foot Locker. It was something. It was a shoe store. And while they were doing their thing, I was looking around. You know how exciting shoe stores are. I was looking around and I saw this pair of shoes sitting on a little shelf by themselves with the laces tied together. I asked the guy what they were. He says, well, they're just a new release of the Nike Air Jordans. Now, one of the things, and I thought they were pretty cool. I'm always a big fan of the red and the black. And as we'll do, we'll keep spinning them around here. You'll see that right there is the normal place that you're going to see the wear and tear on these 1985 Air Jordan 1s, red black highs. And we'll go around here. Now, there's going to be a couple things I want you to notice here. But as we spin around, some of you are going to notice the difference of this one than a regular 1985 Air Jordan 1s. There is a little manufacturing anomaly. But as you can see here, if you look on it here, let's look at the right shoe. The right shoe here has this logo on the outside portion. And as you also see here, you see that these are 850810s, TY1s, both of them. Notice that this logo here is on the outside, and the inside, where the date and model, is on the inside of the shoe. If we go take a look at the left one, on the left one, the logo was put on the inside of that shoe. And if you notice this side here, there is no logo, which I thought was actually pretty cool. You'll also notice here that, right, so the internal number here, the 850810, which means 1985 August to October. So you'll notice that the correct shoe with the logo on the outside has that markings on the inner side, but on the other one, they're complete opposites. So that marking should have been on the inside here, and it's not. It's on the outside. So a couple little anomalies here. Other than that, and of course the normal wear that you see on this little bit of, and it also comes down here too, right over there. So you see that wear is pretty common. I see a lot of people taking black ballpoint pens and felt markers and covering that in. Not me. It's going to be as is. And as also you notice here, really good shape on the soles, no heel drag whatsoever, great stitching on here, and of course you got the tags on the inside of the tongues. So anyway, so being the first year, 1985, of the Air Jordans red black highs, those themselves are running for about, I don't know, $1,000, let's say. However, some of the better ones here are running up around $2,500. What I think makes this one more unique is this logo, how it's been misplaced on here. So if you're looking at this, you're looking at a one-of-a-kind 1985 Nike Air Jordan 1s, red and black, high. Wonder how much they're worth.